Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Revlon One-Step Volumizer Hair Dryer. Achieve a flawless blowout effortlessly with this innovative brush that delivers a lustrous, sleek finish for hair that exudes health and beauty. This versatile tool not only dries and styles your hair in record time but also reduces heat exposure by 50%, minimizing damage. Say goodbye to lifeless locks as this blowout brush enhances shine by 75% and adds volume for a glamorous look. The smooth nylon bristles effortlessly glide through your hair, taming frizz and enhancing shine for a radiant, healthy appearance. The oval-shaped brush design allows for precise styling at the roots, creating full-bodied volume from top to bottom. Whether you prefer beachy curls or soft waves, this brush allows you to effortlessly achieve the perfect style. With 4 heat speed settings and a detachable handle for easy travel and storage, this tool offers complete control over your blowouts. Save time and money by creating stunning salon-quality blowouts at home with ease, empowering you to embrace bold living with confidence. Our second best dryer brush is Umili Hair Dryer. The Umili Hot Air Brush is equipped with a ceramic titanium barrel that minimizes damage caused by excessive styling through uniform heat distribution. It utilizes negative ions to swiftly penetrate the hair, locking in moisture and nourishing damaged strands while reducing frizz and static for a sleeker, shinier appearance. This versatile tool allows you to style, dry, and add volume to your hair simultaneously, providing maximum drying power with minimal frizz and decreased hair damage. Achieve professional salon blowout results efficiently in less time with this high-quality hair dryer brush. Its unique oval-shaped barrel features 360-degree airflow and titanium plates for smoothing, while the rounded edges help create volume and shape your hair. The brush is designed with nylon pin and tufted bristles to prevent tangles, enhance volume, and boost shine. With 3 heat speed settings including a cool option, it offers styling flexibility for optimal results on various hair types. Third choice in our list is Longe Hair Titanium Blow Dryer. The low setting is perfect for those with fine, thin hair, while the high setting is recommended for individuals with thick, coarse hair. For a boost in shine and to maintain your style, opt for the cool setting. Achieve various styles like smooth strands, voluminous locks, or beautifully curled ends using this innovative 2-in-1 titanium brush dryer. Its unique oval-shaped barrel with 360-degree airflow and titanium plates helps to smoothen, shape, and add volume while drying your hair efficiently. The compact and sleek design of this volumizing brush dryer from Longe makes it easy to carry in any bag without the need for a separate round brush. Style your hair as you dry with the multi-directional hot air spin brush to create volume, shine, and luxurious curls effortlessly. The brush rotates in both directions to maximize volume and curl definition while emitting ions that reduce frizz and enhance luster. Enjoy tangle-free styling with the anti-static bristles that leave your hair smooth and shiny whether you choose to use the spin feature or not. Number 4 in our side is Low-P Brush Blow Dryer. The versatile brush blow dryer is perfect for all hair types and lengths, whether it's long, short, straight, curly, thick, or thin. It offers 3 adjustable heat settings to cater to your specific styling needs. This innovative tool combines a comb, hair dryer, and styler volumizer in one, allowing you to style and dry your hair simultaneously. With 360-degree airflow and a larger drying area, it cuts down on drying time by at least half. The built-in negative ion generator helps reduce frizz and static by neutralizing positive ions in the hair, leaving your locks smooth and shiny. Crafted from lightweight PA30 glass fiber material with tufted bristles for added lift at the roots, this one-step hair dryer brush ensures maximum drying power with minimal frizz and damage to your hair. Last in our top 5 best dryer brush list is Lindo Hair Blow Dryer. This is a revolutionary hair dryer brush that combines styling, drying, and volumizing in one simple step. Experience maximum drying power with 30% less frizz and reduced hair damage compared to traditional hair dryers. Say goodbye to dry, burnt hair. Our unique oval brush design smooths while the round edges add volume. The nylon pin and tufted bristles detangle, boost volume, and provide control for a flawless finish on second-day hair. This innovative volumizer can be placed close to the scalp for maximum lift, thanks to direct ion technology that promotes faster drying and creates shinier, healthier-looking styles. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.